Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by that lovely 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Sport Appearance Package, the Convenience Package, Advanced Trailer Tow Package, as well as the Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, your tow hitch receiver, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, side view camera, and moving to the front, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. Got some storage here. USB-C, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this out for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks with power folding mirrors. We got memory seat for the 3 drivers, lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 9 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We do get digital speedometer and RPMs, and moving here we got my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right we got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, and hazards, your drive modes, and 4-wheel drive with your tow mode, cup holder, storage, wireless charging pad with outlets. You do get your storage below with the 12 volt. Your basic climate controls just right here, hazards, storage below and above. And above me we got our features for our powered rear window opener. We got a garage door transmitter and a nice big infotainment system with your climate controls just right here with dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. And moving above we got our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You got your phone controls right here. Pretty easy to use. We got navigation. You can zoom in and out, go 3D, search, your media controls, your tow mode, which will give you like a towing checklist. And up here we got all our apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, with your vehicle settings. You got auto hold and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE29763, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.